Okay, so here we are in my apartment. The first ever apartment I've had by myself. I am thrilled about this. I'm very excited and a little nervous, but you know what? I think it's going to be a great time. So let me give you a little tour. This is the front room that you walk into. Okay, I think they were saying that this is technically, I guess, a bedroom, but I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to have this as a bedroom or more of a living room space, because if you walk through this door, you have the kitchen and quite a bit of space here. So I think I just might put my bed here and clothing and things, and have this be for both the kitchen and my room, which I know is a little weird, but that's just how it is. It's kind of cool. Here's my kitchen, part of my kitchen, through this doorway here, and through this doorway we have the bathroom. Pretty cool. Yeah, so short tour, but that's okay. This place seems very cool and I'm quite excited about it. Okay.